Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed. Regret is the only wound the soul does not recover from. Don't live your life regretting yesterday. Live your life so tomorrow you won't regret today. Concentrating on negatives, regrets, or second thoughts won't change what has happened. Don't think about what you have left behind. Never look back in regret. Move on to the next thing. Minimize regrets. Maximize opportunities. Try today or regret tomorrow. To give up yourself without regret is the greatest charity. My religion is to live and die without regret. Regret is usually a waste of time, as is gloating. Regret is such a pointless emotion. Don't you agree? You will never regret doing the right thing. Nobody who ever gave his best regretted it. If only, those must be the two saddest words in the world. Never regret. If it is good, it is wonderful. If it is bad, it is experience. Never regret anything that made you smile. It is better to look ahead and prepare than to look back and regret. At the end of the day, let there be no excuses, no explanations, no regrets. Forget regret. Our life is yours to miss. Of all the words of mice and men, the saddest are, "It might have been." The regrets most people have in their old age are for the things they never did. I have no regrets. You take responsibility for your actions. In looking back, I see nothing to regret and little to correct. My dad used to say that living with regrets was like driving a car that only moved in reverse. One day of effort is one day of bliss. One day of sloth is 100 years of regret. You should never regret anything in life. If it is good, it is wonderful. If it is bad, it is experience. We must all suffer one of two things: the pain of discipline or the pain of regret or disappointment. One of the greatest regrets in life is being what others would want you to be, rather than being yourself. At the end of your life, you want to look back and have no regrets. To do this, you need to start living today with your end in mind. Accept everything about yourself. I mean everything. You are you, and that is the beginning and the end. No apologies, no regrets. Hope you like the content. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Have a great day ahead. Good luck to you.